What's up, world? Scott Stakane with House of Sticks. It's 2018. It is far enough in January that I have started a diet, quit a diet, and now thinking about doing the diet again. It's like mid-January. I mean, crap, that only took me 19 days. This is the first episode of 2018. Excited to be doing it again. We're committed to it. Hey, hope you have fun. Hope this is so encouraging for you. And hey, title sequence. Hey, and we're back. Really fun. Put my hand on the camera because that's one of the things I learned from other YouTubers, and it's a good way to cut. See, like when I put my hand like this, and then I take it off, all sorts of things happen. Like I just changed my shirt, right? We can change the scene altogether. Wow, we can change focal lengths and come into focus. We can do all sorts of things. So it's just a good way to make transitions, and you probably don't want to look at my face that close. We be getting calls. And then we're back. So, you know, put your hand on the camera is sort of fun, right? Why not, right? Hey, super excited about 2018. Lots of good stuff to share. We got a whole content calendar for you. I mean, I've got 2 cameras set up. I got an overhead camera. I got this camera. We got people to help, man. Really, there's some good stuff coming out. So really excited to be doing this. Finally, I have committed to do this twice a week. Hopefully we have one video released on Monday and then another one on Thursday. I'm thinking the format's kind of be a longer video on Monday and a shorter video on Thursday. My thought is, you know, if we're gonna do this whole like half business, half creative thing, you know, I really feel like there's kind of 2 halves of the brain, 2 types of people, and I'm just saying, let's go for it, man. Let's do a longer sort of business video on Monday, and then on Tuesday it's kind of like, or on Thursday it's answering questions. It's a shorter video. It's some encouragement. It's all those things that hopefully, you know, turn out well. At least that's my thought. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm excited about getting going. I'm excited about the people we've met. I'm excited about everything that's going on. Like I said, we got a whole content calendar. I'm going to try to take you through sort of a curriculum of what I've learned, what I've been going through, and the things that could maybe help you. We're going to talk about finding your passion, about making money, how to run a business. We're talking a little about taxes, finding lawyers, where to find contracts, defining who you are, writing business plans, finding clients, marketing yourself, all of those things that creative people tend to be really bad at. You know, and I want you to be good. This is really a video series that is aimed at keeping people from making that $500 video. I get it, when you start you need to do that stuff, but I want everybody out there to say, hey man, $500 isn't gonna cut it. I'm running a business. I'm not just doing this as a hobby, and I want to help you, man. This is really what I want to do, because it's time that people should take that seriously. You need to be running a business. You're not doing it for fun. At the end of the day, you're making it to make money, and hopefully we get the opportunity to do something great along the way, and you get the opportunity to scratch that creative itch, and everything's good. But hey, like I said, lots of stuff going on. Hey, make some comments below. Subscribe if you want to keep up with it. If that's any interest to you at all, hit the subscribe button. Make a comment. I like to try to answer those questions anybody has. Let me know whether or not you want to see the whole content calendar or not for the year, or at least for the next month. Not sure how I do all this, but hey, like I said, glad to be here. Glad to be back in 2018. Glad it's cold. Glad it's winter time. I'm a fat kid, so you know I like the cold. Hey, make some comments. Super duper pumped to be doing this in 2018. I'm gonna put my lens on the camera here. No, I'm gonna put my hand on the camera lens here in a minute and go to the outro. So hey, super excited. Peace out.